Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to do sorting in Python. So the agenda of video is sorting values. How we can do sorting values in Python. So basically sort values of a specific column in data frame, or you can say table. Okay. So in SQL, we use order by for this. So if you guys are familiar with SQL, so you must be aware. And other than that, if you are not familiar, I will show you how we can use this in Python. So the syntax is sort value and specific column, and ascending equals to true and false. I will show you. So when I will do practically, you will understand more. So let me try to give one simple example. So let's say we have this employee table, and in employee table we have, let's say, this salary column. Based on that, I want to uh, sorting the values. So if you see here, I'm getting, let's say, 10,000, 8,000, 9,000. So it is not sorted. So after sorting, output would be like this for this column. Okay. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. So all the row will be 10. Let's say Salni manager 5,000. This will come as in first row like this. Okay. So we have two options. Either we can, do sort by ascending or sort by descending. So in let's say in one we will get this result. In another we will get this result. Let's say 10,000. Okay. And then 9,000, 8,000, like this. Okay. Now let's move into the Jupyter notebook. I will show you how we can do this practically. Okay. So first, let me import the pandas library. Okay. And then let me import the data frame one. Let me read the file pd.read csv. So the file location is same which we were using in the previous video. Okay. So this time my file is employee.csv. Now let me show you the data. So see, I have this data. Okay. And I have this salary column, which is showing 800, 1600, after that 12 to 50. So it is not sorted. Okay. Now, let's say I am not looking all the column. I am looking only few columns. Let's say department number. Okay. Horizon. See. And for, you know, uh, selecting multiple columns, we need to use double bracket, double square bracket. So see, I'm getting this now. Okay. And if you remember, the syntax of sorter is this one, sort value. What I will do, I'm going to use same syntax. I will put dot here, dot sort values. Let me first remove the ascending equal to 2. So I used sort values. After that, I need to provide the column name, on which column I want to sort. So I want to sort on salary. So instead of column, I can provide there. Okay. So this is my data frame, and the data frame I have selected three columns, and after that I have used sort values to sorting, and after that I have selected my column on which I want to sort. Okay. Now if I run this, so see, now data is sorted. 800, 950, 1100, 1250, 1250, like this. Okay. Now let me show you the use of ascending equals to true. So if I do this, you will get the similar, result. It is by default. But if I change it to false, then see. Now we can see the highest value in the first row. Okay, so this is how we do sorting in Python. So I hope you understand, guys. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.